Hello, all the kids. Old young man. Like
Once
this
upon a
channel.
time,
To see the
there
story.
were two brothers,
Tell you what kind of story
Rubby
do you want.
and Bobby. Rubby was 13 years old, kind and caring. Bobby was 8 years old, playful and cute. One day, they were playing happily in their village. Then they decided to go to the forest. In the forest, a naughty little monkey named Mono was watching them from a tree. Suddenly, Mono jumped down and grabbed their bag. Bobby became angry. But Rubby said, "Don't be upset. Maybe the monkey is hungry." So, the brothers gave some fruits to the monkey. Mono became very happy and started dancing. From that day, they all became good friends. The monkey even climbed trees to bring colorful fruits for Rubby and Bobby. One day, fruits for Rubby and Bobby. One day, some children lost their way in the forest. They were scared and called for help. Rubby, Bobby, and Mono heard their voices. Mono quickly climbed a tall tree, looked around, and showed them the right path. Together, they guided the lost children back safely. The children were so happy and thanked them. Then everyone raised their hands and prayed, "Oh Allah, make us people who always help others. Ameen." At the end of the day, Rubby said, "Today was a very good day." Bobby agreed, "Yes, we did a good deed." And Mono laughed happily. "Hey, I'm happy too." The story ends with a beautiful message. A true friend is the one who helps in difficult times.
Thank you all. Subscribe to watch this video to our channel.